Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anam Zahir. I'm MD Homeopathy Consultant currently practicing in Pune, Maharashtra. I'm here to share my views about the book The Art of Repertorization, Rediscovering the Old and Forgotten Repertories, which is written by internationally acclaimed teacher and an author, our favorite Dr. Gaurang Gaikwad boss, and the foreword of this book is written by Dr. Rajan Sankaran sir. So before we start the review, if you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell icon and follow us on Instagram homeopathy.news. So let's get started. As you can see, the physical appearance of this book, this is hardbound book, pearly white appearance, and so good to hold and read. There are 554 pages in this book, and the main attraction is this bookmark. We usually forget where we were. Actually, the book is so interesting. So this beautiful bookmark comes with the book, and in which it is written that all power is within you and you can do anything and everything, by Swami Vivekananda ji. Okay, so in the foreword, Dr. Rajan Sankaran has written about his perception of getting a picture of a remedy, be it the pathology, local symptom, general symptom, miasm, delusion, dreams, or even the genus of the remedy. In this book, author has beautifully written the acknowledgement and didn't miss even a single name, be it his colleagues, peers, juniors, or even he has thanked his patients too. The testimony of all his teachers is given before the index. Now we'll switch to the construction of the book. The book is comprising of few sections like value of repertory, 8 individual repertory like Kent, Boger, Phatak, BBCR, Bohrick, Nair, Robert, and even Clark repertory is given. The case exercises, case analysis along with the repertorial sheet followed by bibliography and references make this book more special. And at last, the map of repertory is given. I'll tell you about the section value of repertory. In this section, author has, he has written about his journey, his influences in homeopathy, how and what he has learned from the pioneers of homeopathy, be it Dr. Vijay Vaishnav or Dr. Rajan Sankaran sir. So author has given a multi-dimensional vision to look into the remedy. I'll quote an example here. Okay, so if I say craving for apple, like all of us, even I'll think of Ententart. But when we refer the repertory, there is a remedy guaiacum. Consolation ameliorate, yes, pulsatilla. But when we look into the repertory, stramonium and camphor, they are of same rank like pulsatilla. So the feelings of remedies are given here. One can understand the family, their indications, and even limitation of repertory is given. I'll tell you how these repertories are given, these 8 repertories. Okay, so now the value of repertory is given, and after that, for each repertory, there is a plan of repertory, the construction, the philosophy behind, and the cherry to the cake practical application is given. Okay, exact rubrics, what kind of rubrics you will find in which repertory. Okay, and with the rubrics, their origin, their understanding, their meaning, and the detailed information about ML Sehgal method is given along with the examples. Okay, you'll find the new way of studying materia medica via repertory. Like we know, Macflure is known for chronic back injury. But when we look into the repertory, Thuja is covering more than 15 rubrics for pain. So Thuja can also be indicated in cases of chronic pain. Okay, coming up next is the scope of the book. Okay, repertory is an amazing tool in solving the cases, and especially when we have a clear characteristic symptoms with us, even when we take a case and so many remedies come to our mind. So this book is rich in practical applicability. What I like most is the proper acknowledgement and reference which make this book more authentic. It's an amazing piece of literature for final year BHMS students with respect to plan, construction and philosophy. Even we pass out, we become intern, but we are clueless how to use repertory. We'll be able to use repertory, what kind of cases require which repertory. So pictures of experts from the repertory and the case analysis is given. The importance to smaller and forgotten rare remedies is given, how they come up when we work out a case. So this book will help you to think out of the box. Okay, so many symptoms we think in our mind that they are of polycrest remedies, but when polycrest remedies fail and when we use a particular repertory according to the case, some rare remedy comes up, okay, as a savage. So this repertory, this book will help you to open your vision. The proper case examples are given across the book, not 1, 2, 10, more than 50, 60 case examples are given in each chapter. There is also a chapter called Artistic Repertorization, where we can learn the keynote approach and understanding the cross repertorization, the specialized form of repertorization. And to top it all, case exercises are given, where 53 cases are given which we have to solve, and at the back their answers are given along with analysis and repertorial sheet. In map of repertory, the name of repertory and their utilization is given, and at last the list of books which are written by author and how to reach out to author is given, his website, his email ID. So I think it's a must have book in the library, and I'm so glad that I completed it. I wish very good luck to Dr. Gaurang Gaikwad Boss for this precious piece of literature in our libraries. Thank you so much for being a patient viewer. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy.